We are pleased to show you the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.